This 2022 Gulf Stream AMERILITE 248BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 26 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, TV, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stove top burner, microwave, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Gulf Stream AMERILITE 248BH is 3,899 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.